You're going to learn all about building attraction, maintaining desire, and keeping the passion alive at all times during your relationship. By the end of this program, you'll see how easy and non-complicated it is to maintain a healthy, passionate relationship. Now, let's cut to the chase. What we're going to do now is lay the groundwork for everything else we're going to cover in this program. Think of this as the foundation of a house. If it's weak, everything built on top of it is going to crumble. We need a strong foundation, especially when the topic is relationships and attraction. And when we talk about the foundation of maintaining a healthy, passionate relationship, we have to start with trust, respect, and attraction. Now, when I say those three words, it might sound like I'm talking about three different concepts, but you'll quickly see that they're all deeply connected. Now, let's briefly go over these ideas before we really dive in. Let's go over trust for a minute. A lot of guys think trust is just about honesty and telling the truth. While that might be true in other types of relationships, it's different in sexual relationships. In man to woman relationships, trust is all about strength, consistency, and leadership. She needs to know that no matter what, you've got your life together and you're not easily shaken. She has to trust that you're going to be the masculine presence in the relationship. She has to trust that you're going to be a man, and more importantly, that you're going to act like one every single time. Let's go over respect. If she doesn't respect you, she won't desire you. It's that simple. Now, as a man, you don't need to respect a woman to feel attracted to her because being respected is not a feminine quality. But for men, it's different. Being respected is not just important, but it might be the most important quality for attraction. It's even more important than love. Yeah, that's right. She needs to respect you more than she loves you because respect is what determines if she stays attracted to you. A woman can actually love you but not be attracted to you. However, if she respects you, she's going to feel that magnetic pull towards you. So, respect is the primary fuel for attraction. By the end of this program, you're going to have a rock solid understanding of how to build trust, earn her respect, and maintain attraction. You'll be like a mechanic taking over the control room of her attraction processes. So when something goes wrong, she does something you don't like, or you just want to spice things up, you'll know the signs, you know what they mean, and you'll know exactly what button to push. Feel free to pause the videos whenever you want and reflect on what I say by thinking about your past experiences. You'll quickly realize that everything I cover in this program applies directly to your past, present, and future relationships. You just weren't fully aware of it yet. But by the end of this program, you will be. All right, let's get into it.